हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, मी मुकुंदा माळी सर BFC इंग्लिश या आमच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपलं स्वागत आहे. मित्रांनो, आजच्या या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरच्या माध्यमातून आपण इयत्ता 9वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकमधील लेसन नंबर 2.1 कंपॅरिझन्स या पोएमचे इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप अभ्यासणार आहोत. त्यासाठी मित्रांनो हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्कीच बघा. वेलकम बॅक फ्रेंड्स. कंपॅरिझन्स English workshop. Question number 1. List all the adjectives in the poem. Use the comparative forms of at least 8 of them to write new comparisons. 2 of them have been given as examples. मित्रांनो, या प्रश्नामध्ये आपल्याला कवितेतील सर्व विशेषणांची यादी करायची आहे. त्यातील कमीत कमी 8 विशेषणांना कंपॅरेटिव्ह फॉर्ममध्ये लिहून नवीन तुलना आपल्याला लिहायच्या आहेत. 2 एक्झाम्पल्स आपल्याला दिलेले आहेत. आन्सर: ॲडजेक्टिव्ज इन द पोएम: फास्ट, स्लो, बिग, स्मॉल, फियर्स, जेंटल, सोर, स्वीट, ड्राय, वेट, स्क्वेअर, राऊंड, कूल, वार्म, noisy, quiet, strong, weak, hard, soft, dark, light, tall, short, crooked, straight, full, some, etc. इत्यादी ॲडजेक्टिव्ज आपल्याला या पोएममध्ये दिलेले आहेत. बिगर दॅन द एलिफंट, smaller than an ant, fiercer than a warrior, gentle than a stream, sweeter than sugar, cooler than ice, stronger than iron, softer than muslin. Question number 2. List all the nouns in the poem. Find a suitable adjective other than the ones given here for each of the nouns and write meaningful similes for at least 8 of them. For example, as yellow as a lemon. कवितेतील सर्व नामांची यादी आपल्याला या प्रश्नामध्ये करायची आहे. त्यातील कमीत कमी 8 नामांपासून अर्थपूर्ण उपमेची उदाहरणे आपल्याला लिहायची आहेत. एक एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला या ठिकाणी दिलेलं आहे, ॲज येलो ॲज अ लेमन. आन्सर: Nouns in the poem: spaceship, snail, dinosaur, nail, tiger, lamb, lemon, jam, desert, sea, house, pea, cave, toast, road drill, ghost, ox, kitten, rock, mitten, tunnel, moon, night time, mid time, daytime, noon, giant, elf, mountain path, shelf, word, opposites, etc. इत्यादी नाउन्स आपल्याला या पोएममध्ये दिलेले आहेत. सम मिनिंगफुल सिमिलीज: ॲज मॅजेस्टिक ॲज टायगर, ॲज इनोसंट ॲज लॅम्ब, ॲज डीप ॲज द सी, as ancient as the cave, as crisp as a toast, as cute as a kitten, as bright as the moon, as scenic as a mountain path. Question number 3. Form groups of 6 to 8. Think of similes using different objects. For example, as dry as land, wet as a puddle. Now try to put together the similes to make a poem with rhyming lines. Answer: I wish I was like a child, carefree in the wild, as happy as sunshine, like a fairy divine, as innocent as a lamb, as tiny as a gram. I wish I was like a child, carefree in the wild. Question number 4. Write the pairs of rhyming words. Answer 1. Snail, nail. 2. Lamb, jam. 3. Sea, pea. 4. Toast, ghost. 5. Kitten, mitten. 6. Moon, noon. 7. Ilp, shell. Question number 5. Start a collection of idioms with comparisons. Use the following categories. मित्रांनो, या प्रश्नामध्ये आपल्याला तुलना दाखवणाऱ्या इडियम्सची कलेक्शन करायची आहे. त्यांना आपल्याला खालील 3 कॅटेगरीमध्ये डिवाइड करायचे आहे. ए. इडियम्स विथ कलर्स. ॲज ब्लॅक ॲज अ क्रो. ॲज व्हाईट ॲज अ डव. ॲज रेड ॲज an apple. As blue as the sky. As green as grass. As pink as rose. As yellow as sunflower. As grey as smoke. As brown as beer. B. Idioms with animals. As cunning as a fox. As busy as a bee. As huge as an elephant. C. Idioms with objects. As black as coal. As cool as a ice. As light as a feather. Question number 6. Given below are some idiomatic comparisons with like. Can you guess their meaning? Look them up in a good dictionary. You won't find them under like. Which words will you look up to find these comparisons? Like a bull in a china shop, meaning to handle a delicate situation badly. Next, like a cat on a hot tin roof, meaning someone who is in a state of extreme nervous worry. Next, like a red rug to a bull, meaning something that will cause an anger or violent reaction. Next, like a cat that stole the cream, meaning obviously smug or overly pleased with oneself. Next, like water of a duck's back, meaning having no effect on someone. Last, memory like a sieve, meaning forget things easily or quickly. Next question. Using your imagination, write more comparisons using like. Answer. Like a fish out of the water. Like a bitter gourd in a sweet shop. Like a sitting duck. Like an open book. Like a rainy day in a desert. आय होप फ्रेंड्स, तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत या व्हिडिओला शेअर करा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स.